Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we talk about all things health related. In today's video, we're going to discuss one of the most common skin problems that almost everyone faces at some point in their lives, acne. Acne can be frustrating and make us feel insecure. However, the good news is that with the right tips and tricks, it can be managed and controlled. So, let's dive in and discuss the causes, types, and most importantly, how to get rid of acne. First, let's talk about the causes of acne. Acne is caused by a variety of factors, including hormonal changes, genetics, diet, environmental factors, and skincare products. Understanding the underlying cause of acne is the first step in treating it effectively. Now, let's discuss the different types of acne. There are 5 main types of acne: whiteheads, blackheads, papules, pustules, and cysts. Each type of acne requires a different treatment approach, so it's important to identify which type of acne you have before starting a treatment. So, how do you get rid of acne? The answer lies in a combination of daily skincare routine, lifestyle changes, and medical treatments. First, let's talk about the daily skincare routine. Cleansing, exfoliating, and moisturizing are the 3 main steps to maintaining healthy and clear skin. When choosing skincare products, make sure they are non-comedogenic and suitable for your skin type. Lifestyle changes such as a healthy diet, regular exercise, and stress management can also help to control acne. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables, reducing sugar and dairy intake, and getting regular exercise can help to manage acne. For more severe cases of acne, medical treatments such as over-the-counter medications, prescription medications, or cosmetic procedures can be used. It's important to consult a dermatologist before starting any medical treatment. Lastly, let's talk about preventing acne from recurring. Maintaining good skincare habits, avoiding touching your face, and using oil-free makeup and skincare products are some of the preventative measures you can take. That's it for today's video. Remember, acne is a common skin problem, but it can be managed and controlled with the right tips and tricks. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any other tips or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more health and beauty tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.